Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see another topic in PMP journey. We will learn PMO types and Agile Center of Excellence. First we will understand what is the PMO, the Project Management Office, short form PMO. So its role is to basically provide needed support to one or more projects. This is type of PMO can be found with a specific department for the purpose of single project, or it may be established as a separate entity within the organization, though not a senior and executive levels. Okay, so broader sense, it is a department and it helps to maintain the project management practices, guideline, tools, governance, audits, resource management, also resource suppliers also will do. PMO main objective is to help the project management to success in a project. If any point of time project management has a confusion queries, then they can consult to the PMO. PMO standardize the project related governance process, facilitate the sharing of resources, methodology, tools and techniques. So there are some roles are also defined officially as a PMO roles, which is a PMO director, project manager, program manager, support team, business analyst, etc. But remember one thing, it is not necessary that PMO is always there in an organization, then can only the project management activities happens. It may possible there is no PMO. It may possible there is only one or two persons is named as a PMO. What is the PMO types? PMO are three types: supportive, controlling, and directive. So in supportive, it provide templates, training, best practices, standardized methods. It coach, train, and guide the project manager. It helps the project management. Okay, it's a friendly. For example, in a friend. Remember this keyword. I will give you a trick at the end of the lesson, so you will understand and remember easily. Controlling is a monitoring compliances guidelines with the project management standardized policy, procedure, and templates. So these type of PMO, they control, they perform the audits, they pinpoint the shortcomings. And directive is actually they are in a complete control of the project. So they actually manage the project, they share the document, they control the resources. Another sense of hierarchy of control, we can see that directive is the most high control of PMO. And because the PMO is a high in control, project managers also actually has a control on this. Second is the controlling, which is a medium control, and supportive is the low control type of PMO types. Now we will see the Agile Center of Excellence, ACOEs, or Value Delivery Office video. Both are the same, just synonyms. So a dedicated group of experts that drive the adoption of optimization of agile practices across an organization, acting as a central hub of guidelines, training and best practices. So it differs from traditional PMO, project management offices, by focusing on foster an agile mindset. Remember this agile, and providing support for transformation rather than just governance and control. So in agile is rather than doing the micromanagement, it's doing more supportive and transformation. The COE helps ensuring consistency and provides a single source of truth for agile implementation tools and supports. So it enables rather than manage project efforts. Core functions of an agile COE is promote local customer centric decision making and does not standardize. So it is a more customer centric. Okay. The support and not control. Decentralized structure where teams can respond to changing customer needs quickly. Coaches and builds agile mindset, agile skills, capability throughout the organization. Coaching, training, knowledge sharing, strategy guidelines, maturity assessment, tooling recommendations. So it is more focusing on the agile rather than waterfall, or rather than the traditional methods, we can say. Agile Center of Excellence or Value Delivery Offices can have these six attributes. It will do the coaching, it will bring your organization changes, it will perform the trainings, it will give the trainings, it focus on processes, it will give a platform to share thoughts. There is a community of Agile Center of Excellence also, where the experts share their thoughts and best practices. Now, as I promised, there's a trick to remember the PMO types because this will come as a question. Remember, in the PMP, always the scenario based question will come, direct question will not come. So, there may be some scenario where PMO can give the example that okay, PMO is in a directive mode. You can by reading the question you can understand that PMO is a directive mode or controlling mode or supporting mode. Let's suppose PMO is doing the audit in the question. If it is written, then it is in controlling mode because it is doing audits. PMO supplies the resources, controlling the resources. Then it is a directive PMO. And if PMO only giving training, coaching, mentoring, then it is a supporting PMO. So you know that already. Okay, in a school there is a school principal, right? And a school principal give a direction to the student. They can assign a teacher to them. They can give. They have a full control, right? So it is a directive. School principal is a directive. Remember that directive, director words synonyms like that. Principal is a directive. Teacher is a controlling. They can control you, right? With their streaks, they can punish you. They can audit you. They check your copies, right? Checking the copies is like a audit. So teacher is controlling PMO. And friends, your supportive friends, supportive PMO, they give you their notebooks to understand the things, right? So this is the friend supportive. So this is a trick and tip. So today's video we understand the type of PMO. What is the PMO? Agile Center of Excellence. Okay. We will meet in the next video of the next topic of the PMP. Thank you.